guys, in this video we are heading to Vietnam, and before first thing first, this is very important that you must apply a visa for Vietnam online, because when you check in they will look for approval letter at least.
The relation to show the friendship between Russia and Vietnam. And this bridge was built 4 years ago by Japan.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh, it's so new.
Yeah, 4
it's
years
beautiful.
ago. Yeah, very nice one.
Yeah. Arrived in our hotel, and it is located just around the lake.
I like to travel, I like to see different cities.
What do you think of here?
I like travel. I have only 1 full year. But I like travel.
Những chim thỏ kín nỗi buồn em thân yêu ở nơi xa, nghe trong tiếng vọng miền Tây. Em có thấy góc trời biên ơi như rừng ánh hồng chân mây.
This bicycle have gone so much suffering in his life. On the following day, we went to see Mausoleum of Ho Chi Minh just in Hanoi city. And how about this one?
This one was given by Vietnamese overseas who live in France in 1964.
not a normal coffee, but it's called egg coffee.
We order here and
Okay.
they bring upstairs for us.
Okay.
You want an egg coffee?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
What about you?
Yeah.
Another
Yes.
egg coffee?
Yes.
Yeah. Hai cà phê trứng và một cà phê màu đen.
I think it's nice. I like it.
You have not drink in the bottom yet.
Yeah.
This is the way you drink it, and it's combined between the cream or the.
I can't make it. I don't know how to wrap.
Sometimes if you cannot wrap with one rice paper, you wrap with two.
So please, what is it?
Vodka.
This is called bánh nằm.
Bandap.
Bánh nằm.
Bandam.
Yeah. It's made by rice paper
Okay.
and onion and shrimp. Turn it around. Yeah.
Bandam.
I think so. I think you're
Cái này được cầm là gì vậy chị? Cái này là
Coming from Halong Bay, we went back to Hanoi for our last night and we visited the famous Obama restaurant, they called it. It's actually called Buncha, but Obama and Anthony Bourdain visited here, and indeed it is a very nice place or a very nice noodle, a must try. If you happen to like this video, I have more footage about Vietnam on my visit to Tam Quoc, Pho Long, and Halong Bay. And lastly guys, before I forgot, like in any other cities or tourist industry or tourist cities, there are also people who want to just con you. So this place is not a very good place to buy some souvenirs.